Find the reciprocal of each number. All right, so let's start with a definition here. So reciprocal, that's going to mean that we are going to swap the numerator and the denominator. So we can think about this as inverting the fraction. And it's okay if the number is a whole number, because we can write a whole number as a fraction, right? So this first example here, well, I can write 3 as 3 over 1. All right, so now that's a fraction. And so the reciprocal would be 1 over 3. So I'm going to swap them. All right, I'm going to invert the fraction. And this is going to be very useful when we're looking at solving equations that involve fractions, because we want to multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction on both sides. That's the easy way to do that division there. All right, next up, 1/2. The reciprocal of 1/2, we're going to invert the fraction. We're going to swap numerator and denominator. So this is 2 over 1, and we can simplify that to 2 if we would like. So that reciprocal there is going to be 2. All right, next up, we've got 9 over 5. And so the reciprocal, inverting the numerator and denominator, swapping that fraction, the reciprocal would be 5 over 9. And last but not least, we've got 60. And so for 60 here, it's a whole number, so we can write that as 60 over 1. And so the reciprocal would be 1 over 60.